Hey guys, it's Minty here. Hope you're feeling fresh today. And this is my dog, and his name is Magnus. Kinda cute, but a bit camera shy. He's amazing, so cool, so fluffy. Just had a haircut, that's why he looks a bit, I don't know. And well, I'm feeling a bit like David Attenborough here. And here you see Magnus in his natural habitat, doing things he loves most, and that's walking around the kitchen, doing absolutely nothing. And he's about to pounce onto the new floor. Oh, and he's decided not to do it. There's a predator up there. It's probably my dad. Here he is sat on his lovely bed. I'm not sure whether it's lovely. That's him doing his thing. It's him running away from the predator into the front door. And look at this thing. I don't even know what that is. It's horrible. Oh look, he's trying to attack me. He's trying to attack me. Oh, that's okay. I think we have to get out of here.